Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche version just launched before few days ago, super premium in design, lots of accessories in the box and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche version. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the Porsche version of the Honor Magic V2. The outer packaging of Porsche version is grey. Let's open the box. Firstly, this box is heavy, which makes me a little excited to see what's inside. When you open it, the inside is black. The first thing you see is the folding screen phone. Let's put that aside. Next, there's a stylus in the gift box. That's the first layer. Now, let's check the second layer. There's a phone case. It looks nice. Maybe it's plain leather. Oh, here's the stylus box. It looks fancy. There's another charging cable. And the rest must be the charging head. It's a 66-watt fast charging head. That's all the accessories in the gift box. But there's more to come with the Porsche version. The phone case feels really nice, like textured leather. They also included 2 charging devices, a 66-watt car charger with a data cable. Plus, there's the stylus and stylus box. It's really impressive. Finally, let's check out the main character this time, the Magic V2 RSR. At first glance, it's packed with design. The color on the back is called Onyx, just like the Porsche RSR sports car. The camera module has been redesigned too. They call it the flying line slip-back touch window, like a sports car window. The front external screen is made of very tough and durable diamond giant rhino glass, resistant to falls and wear. Alright, let's power up the device. The boot screen and theme are all redesigned. You can tell that the Porsche version of the Magic V2 is highly designed from inside to outside. The fragrance of the mobile phone hasn't changed much from the previous generation. There's still only one variant, 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, priced at 15,999 yuan, roughly £1,790 in UK, and $2,250 in USA. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.